Hi. So Volkswagen, 1982 Volkswagen Vanagon L automatic 2.0. I'm about to, it's having some problems starting reliably. So I'm going to check out the air intake and which is next by the throttle. And I got some spray stuff. See it? Okay, there's the Vanagon. All right, so what we got here is we took the lid off. Here, this part here is connected to here, your throttle. This part here is connected to your throttle here, which is connected to the air intake, or I think it's manifold. And then here's the air intake. Here's the hose, manifold, air filter. All right. This is what the hose looks like. Connected to the air intake, connected to the filter, connected to the throttle. And the hoses, see this part? Big part of the vacuum inside there, right there. You see this? That right there? Connected to this right here. And then this part I just disconnected. This thing here, see this? I just moved to the side. So you see here, it goes right there. Make sure it's all tight and clean. I'm going to clean the air intake and the hose. Full of hose. Air intake is inside there. Has a little flap inside. I'm going to clean all around and the flap. I'm using to clean the air intake. Make sure you maybe use a handkerchief or a mask, and you wear glasses so it doesn't have spray back. So I'm gonna do this. I'm already wearing glasses, and the straw for some reason didn't fit. Spent 5 minutes trying to do it, so forget about it. Make sure you shake well. I'm going to make sure I get in there as best as possible. And then I'm going to clean inside here, which is most important. Air intake. Better with the straw, but what you gotta do, make sure you don't get it in your eyes. You don't breathe it in. Just try to. Anyway, I'm going to spray it on the rag. Do the air intake first because that's the most important part, and then the hose. Okay. So now I'm cleaning inside here. Basically, I just got done spraying it. Now I'm literally just sticking my hand in the rag in there and cleaning as 360 and as much as I can. And then I'll be cleaning inside there. So I cleaned all inside up in there, and the hose by scrubbing out with the rag and spraying the rag and spraying it directly inside. You can see shiny. I don't know if you can tell inside here, but it took some maneuvering, which is why I needed two hands. Could have taken the air filter out to take this apart, but anyhow, it's anyway, it's a lot cleaner. It was all black and gray and gooky inside. Now it's all over the rag. I stuck my head in there about 8 inches and made sure the flap was clean. That's inside there, and put her together now. Back together. So I also cleaned inside here, I just stuck my finger in there with some of the fluid with the rag. I also cleaned inside here and around here and this hose as well before I connect it. So I put a napkin around a screwdriver and I stuck it in here loosely to clean it. Which connects to there. Actually a lot cleaner now. Trying to get the light. See? You can actually see the stainless steel before it was all black and gooky. Be good to have a circular brush, like a round brush. I think it's about an inch. As you can see here, I just screwed it on, made sure it was tight, nicely closely fitted, flush. So was the other screw here. Right there. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Make sure there's no cracks. Make sure no cracks. Sometimes you might have to clean it. Make sure there's no cracks. This is secure. I'm going to put this back on. Okay. I'm going to make sure it's straight. Don't put it in crooked. Make sure it's straight. And then you push it in. See? Make sure it's flush. Make sure it's all nice and tight. Okay. And this part. So make sure you don't loosen any other wires. And okay. This is straight. And then you push it. Okay, it's in tighter. I needed 2 hands. Make sure it's all nice and flush. Okay. Let's get her started. Okay. So I just got her started. First time I flipped the switch, started her up, she went died. And then I waited like 5 seconds, and then I turned her up again, and then she went and I slammed the gas, and then it and then it went and this big black smoke came out, cleared her out. And then she was about to die, so I like kept pressing the gas, like this. And then I held it like this, rev high, like 30 seconds. And then I let go, and then she almost started dying again. You could hear her, like she's going, and so when you hear that slower and kind of like sound, then you gotta press the gas again, give her some like oomph, and then she'll catch on again, and then keep listening. You might have to press the gas a few times until you see now she's kind of like at a good, even, consistent rev. I'm gonna go maybe see if the timing's gonna help, because now's the time to do it since the basically the hood is off, and I'm not sure if she's a little slow. She's like that. You listen really carefully. That's how she sounds like. So, kind of thinking maybe she needs a little help with the timing. Let's go check. You see, she kind of slows down still a few more times. Okay. Let's see here. And I forgot my gloves. Anyway. help. She sounds better.